Money Academy.
I'm gonna show you a brand new way how watching TikTok videos to make $50, $100 and even $200 daily. And at the end of the video I'll give you a bonus tip that you can use to double your earnings, so watch the video in full. First we need to do a simple registration at travelspayouts.com. The link on this website will be below the video. There are a huge number of offers from sites to buy airlines tickets or to book hotels. For example, there are sites like booking.com, TripAdvisor, Trivago and so on. And here you can get a special referral links to these sites, and if someone follows your link and buys an airline tickets or book a hotel, you will get money for it. For example, if someone buys tickets on the Way website, you get 50% commission of this service, and the commission of these sites is usually 1.3%. And on average, each person on the site buys $540 worth of tickets. It is not hard to calculate that the Way site gets an average of $7 from each purchase, and we will get 50% of that amount, which is $3.50. And that's only for average purchase. If a person buys a ticket at 2x the price, we get $7 from one purchase. That's really crazy. If 10 people buy tickets, that's $70 for just 10 people. Can you imagine that? And now I'll show you how to make your referral link be clicked by hundreds of people every day by using TikTok. And so I'm showing you everything step by step. I'm sure many of you have seen videos on Instagram of beautiful places and views. Now these kinds of videos usually get huge views. Look at this, 100,000 views or even 200,000 views. And most of people who watch such videos want to visit this place from the video. And if we leave our referral link under such videos to buy tickets to the place from the video, we'll get thousands of clicks and hundreds of purchases, which means we will make hundreds of dollars. But on Instagram you can't leave links under the video, but you can leave them under the video in TikTok. So now we are going to download videos from Instagram Reels and upload them to TikTok. And since this video already popular on Instagram, it means they are really interesting. So it will get high views on TikTok. The first thing we need to do is create TikTok account. I have already created one, and name it Best Places to Visit. If you have created a new TikTok account, first 2 or 3 days don't upload your videos. Just watch other people's videos and like them. So TikTok will understand that you are not a bot and will actively promote your videos, and you will get a good views. And if you have an account that you have been using for a long time, that you can upload videos right away. And now we need to upload the first video to our TikTok. To find a lot of videos on the topics we want here, write in the search line beautiful places or beautiful videos, travel and so on. And then here or here we find different videos. Here is a video like this, for example. It has 100,000 views and it works for us. To download it, copy the link to it. Then go to the site igram.io, insert the link and click download. And here click download again. And then again download. That's it, the video is downloaded to your phone. Now go to TikTok and upload this video. And now we need to add a text to the video. Write something like this: do you want to visit this place? The cheapest tickets and the pinned comment are waiting for you. And now the most important point: in TikTok you are not allowed to publish links in the video description, but you are allowed to publish the link in the comments under the video. And also when you reach 1000 subscribers, you will be able to put the link here on your profile. And now to answer the main question, where you can find your referral link. To do this, we go to the Travel Payouts website, and here we must add our platform, that's our TikTok. To do this, we click create project again. Here we select independent content creator, and here select video platforms, and paste the link to your TikTok account, and click next. Now choose the offer we are going to work with. I'm going to work with this one. It pays the most, as much as 50% of each purchase. Click on this offer and click join the program. Here select your platform, TikTok Connect. Great, and go to program. Great, we are connected to this offer, and now in the section tools, take our referral link. Click copy the link and paste the link in the comments under our TikTok video. And of course, don't forget pin this comment. That's all. Now the video will gradually start getting views, people will click on the link, buy tickets, and we will get money for it. The more video you upload, the more chances you have that some video will go viral and get huge views. My advice is to upload it from 3 to 5 videos a day, no more. And I'm going to keep uploading videos now, and after 2 or 3 days I'll show you my results, and of course I will withdraw the money. So today is 18th of August, back to you in 2 days. But before that, please subscribe to the channel, because this is the only way to support me, and I try very hard for you and I spend a lot of time creating each video. So subscribe and I'll be back in a second. Well, it's been 2 days, today is 10th of August, and I want to show you my results. The results are incredibly cool and you'll be surprised. So are you ready? Before you do that, please like the video, and these are my results. I've uploaded about 10 videos to my TikTok for 2 days, and some of them have gathered few views, like this one, only 1000 views, and some videos became very viral and got 70,000 views, and one video got 490,000 views. Can you imagine this in just 2 days? But how much money I made from that? Go to the travel payout site, and here you can see that I've earned $189 and I can already withdraw it. And also another $15 is in processing. That's after processing they will move to my main balance, and I will also be able to withdraw them. This is a really working method, and every day I can earn more and more as my videos get more and more views. This method in general in the near future will passively bring me $100 or $200 a day. This is really incredibly. You can withdraw the money you earn on PayPal, on WebMoney, or to bank account. I will withdraw money to PayPal, and so I specified my email address in advance, and the minimum amount here $50. And here there is no withdrawal button. The request for withdrawal here is created automatically from 11 to 20 of each month, and the money automatically came to specify details. So I'll just wait when the money comes to my wallet and then show it to you. And while we're waiting for the payout, I'll give you a bonus tip. At Travel Payouts you can get a referral link to sell subscription to the Way site, and for every person who buys that subscription using your link you will get $10. Yeah, for absolutely every person. And with that subscription you get an individual promo code for 10% discount, and you will be able to get a lot more people with it. So if you want, you can put a link under the video just to your subscription. And so today is 13th of August, and here is the request for withdrawal on the site was created. And I received the money to PayPal a couple of hours ago. Exactly $204 came to my wallet. This is really cool. And also watch the other video where I showed you how to earn $400 by opening emails every day. Goodbye.